Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a couple of weeks. I do apologise, some things have been going on, but I'm back. Hi, hello, how are you? I'm so happy to be back, and thank you so much to everyone that messaged me on social media. You are all so cute. Yes, I see your messages. Yes, I read your DMs, and I love you so much. So yes, I'm good, I'm back. Hi. And as I'm sure you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, today's video is going to be another very extra clothing haul. Okay, we're gonna start with something very out there. This package actually got delivered this morning, and I opened it and looked inside and saw this colour. So this, I believe, is a little cord set with like a seat belt thing that seems to be all the fashion at the moment in fluorescent green. I'm actually really excited. I do not think I'm gonna like this on me. I do not think at any point I'm gonna say, actually, it's quite nice. However, we just never know. Ooh, okay. I feel like this isn't even showing up on camera properly. It is so bright. Look at it. These are shorts, very high-waisted, I'm gonna say. The crotch is here, and then they go all the way up. And then on either side of them, they have these weird little, what I believe are called seat belt clasps. Don't know about you, never really had a seatbelt that looked like this, apart from when I was 2 and in a car seat. But I really do believe it's called a seatbelt. You're gonna have to let me know. I'm probably wrong. We've got 2 on either side here. We then have, we then have this little kind of cropped bra situation, which, by the way, looks tiny. I'm just holding it up to myself. Wow. And then, just for added measure, we have another seatbelt. Ah, I get it now. This one obviously goes around your waist, and by doing this, you can make it an adjustable strap, if I can actually get it through. So I can just pull this through and adjust it so that it's the right size for my waist. I almost don't want to try this on. Oh, wowee. Oh, wow. I can't really take myself seriously in these. This top is tiny. Great. Let me just put my seatbelt on. Whoop! All belted in. Great. Fun's not over yet though. Still got another belt to go. I'm guessing this belt goes here, but if it goes here, why not build it into the pants? I mean, these have been built in. Why not build this in? Also, what do I look like? I look a bit like a disaster, really. I don't think it's picking up on camera because of how fluorescent this is, but it's totally see-through. You can see the tag, you can see my underwear, you can see the whole charade, just everything on show. The side of my underwear is currently here to try and hide it because there's gaps where my underwear would normally sit. This bra top thing barely covers my bra. I'd assume that cool girls have this a bit higher and have a little bit of underboob maybe. Not one of those people. I look like I've just had an accident with some scissors. I will say, in the screen, it is kind of giving the illusion that I have hips here because of the cutouts, which I quite like. That is kind of the only positive I can say about it. Other than the fact that it is actually a soft material, and I can, you know, walk around in it and stuff. I guess it's not bad. I just don't feel quite me in this outfit. So we're gonna move on. The next item is this, and I do believe this is a fluffy jacket style thing. I'm really excited for it. Oh, I love these sleeves. But oh my goodness, what is up with those pockets? I do not remember ordering pockets like this. They do not go. Is it just me or does that pocket not look right on that? That doesn't work. Oh my goodness, if they didn't have those pockets, this would actually be such a cute jacket. What are they? Am I being stupid? We'll wait and see when I put it on, but I do not think they look good currently. These sleeves look so cute. They remind me of when people hold hot chocolates and they've got a little sleeve and they look really cozy. They look so nice. And then a little fluffy hood and fluffiness. And then these ugly pockets. I'm gonna hold back on the ugly until I try it on, but they really don't look great. What on earth? Surfland, the surf paradise. Anyone know what this means? It says, get Stan, get Don, Mass God, Stan, whack. I think it's actually just the beginning of this, because this actually just says, get up, stand up for you, get up, stand up, don't give up. I don't mean to be a grammar Nazi or anything, but I'm pretty sure that this for here is meant to be F-O-R. We'll try it on. Okay, yeah. It's kind of cute, isn't it? I quite like it. It's really, really comfortable, and now it's on. I don't know about the pockets still, but I think they're less obvious and not as ugly as I thought. And this jacket is really, really comfortable. In the picture, it looked like this back bit here, sort of, oh wait, is this what these are for? Oh wait, does this make, oh, we can cinch in our waist. Now it looks like I've got a bit more of a bum. Not with this outfit, but in general, this is cute, right? Please agree with me. Please give me the affirmation I need. Is affirmation the right word? Please tell me I look cute so I can go out wearing this. I think this looks really nice. Maybe I am slightly extra after all, going out in a fluffy jacket. I really like it. Sold. Sold to me. Whoa. That is a lot of glitter. Please don't put glitter everywhere. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, floor is absolutely covered in glitter. So this is my dress. What I will say is the top half is not that bad. Then it gets really, really long and kind of, I don't know what's happening here. Like, it's, oh, are they not meant to be stuck on? Oh, is it meant to be flowy? We're just gonna try it on. We're gonna see how it goes. I don't have the highest of hopes. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, get off me. This is the dress. I'm gonna start with the getting into it procedure. It hurt. This does not feel as nice as it looks. It's quite sharp. So on the way in, I hurt my hips and my legs and my arms. And then currently, like here on my arms, I've got glitter digging into me and on the back of my shoulders. And when I move, it's under my armpits and it's kind of painful. So there's that. The look of the dress, it actually does look quite expensive. Maybe I'm not a dressmith or a designer or whatever you want to call it, but to me, it does actually look, to me, like I've paid a pretty penny for this dress. It does look pretty nice. I think if this were a little more tailored, there is a chance I would actually wear this out. I do think this bit needs to sort itself out. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's just sticking to itself every which way. Like, I don't know how this is meant to lay, but I guess that's a little better. Okay, kind of fixed the issue. I'm gonna go ahead and give this dress a thumbs up. I don't think it's too extra, but I will say it's eye-catching. I do feel like if you walked into a room, people would notice you. I do just wish it was tailored and it wasn't quite so itchy around the arms. But apart from that, I quite like it. Please let me know what you think in the comments. And if I'm being stupid when I say that it looks a little bit more expensive than it was. As per usual, some of these items were ordered a while back, so some of them I really don't know what they are. I have no clue what this is, but we will soon find out. Feels silky. Comes in 3 parts. Looks like a little skirt that you can tie at the sides and then goes down asymmetrically, which looks kind of cute actually. Then we have this little thing, which I'm assuming goes around my neck, and I just am never a fan of these things. It's just really not up my street, but we'll try that on. Long sleeved off the shoulder bandeau style top. It is definitely something that I don't think I'd pick out for myself, and I don't think it's gonna look as good on me as it does the model, but I'm kind of excited to try it on. I kind of like it. I just really don't think I personally would wear it. I'll also say I have shoved my underwear up here. I don't know if you can see a little bit of it there. I don't feel like I could not wear underwear with this because it's very breezy. And if one little bit of wind goes, you're on show. So maybe some nude underwear, but like perfectly match it, or a thong maybe and have that hoisted up, like a high-waisted thong. Do they do those? If they don't, I just invented that. Thank you. Let's get some of those. I think that this looks quite nice. I feel like I'm covered up enough. Maybe could be a little bit more covered around here, but I feel like I'm covered up enough. I feel very, very comfortable in it. This neck piece actually does tie it all together, and I actually quite like that detail, which is surprising to me. The more I stand in this and look at it, the more I feel like I might actually wear this out. The next item I can see is red and sequined, and I remember ordering this because in the picture I'm pretty certain they've used a picture of Kim Kardashian. And I'm gonna go ahead and say, don't think Kim Kardashian's wearing a £10 dress from Wish, but I wanted to try it out. So this is what has been sent. I mean, it looks quite fancy, but also there are threads hanging out of places. That is a very, very, very long sleeve. I think that's a sleeve. So this is not something I would wear myself. I mainly just got it because of the whole, it was a picture of Kim Kardashian. This is the top half. It is as low cut can go. I am not a low cut girl. And it doesn't just end there, ladies and gentlemen. No, no. Pretty sure I said this was a dress. I was mistaken. This, I believe, is a jumpsuit with sparkly, shiny sequin legs. And apparently Kim Kardashian wore this, so I'm gonna give it a go. Ta-da! I really feel like it's Halloween and I'm some form of villain, or I don't know. But look at these sleeves. Like, I can just have it hanging down and then what's the point? Or I can have it on my arms and then what's the point? Or I can wear it as a scarf. Oh, fancy. Oh, ooh! I've invented a whole new look for this outfit. I have used a little hairband to hold this together. I'm trying to think of something nice to say. My usual go-to is that it's comfortable. This isn't that comfortable. I can feel the sequins through my legs and they're itching my thighs a little bit. Woohoo! I definitely think some people could wear this and look really, really great. Really great. I am not one of those people. I feel a little like someone in a circus act. These look a little like Simon Cowell pants. The small of my back when I wiggle my bum itches. Didn't realise I moved my bum quite that much. Hurts though. This is way too low cut for me. Again, that's personal preference. Definitely think most people would be fine with this. I am not, so I put a little band around it, which obviously ruins the look a teeny bit, but it can't get much better, surely. And then finally, it's just a lot of red. It's just not really an outfit you would ever see me wearing. Please let me know in the comments if you would wear this. And where as well. This is too much for a club. I also feel like it's too much for a wedding. It's too much for a summer barbecue. I mean, if you're Kim Kardashian, you've got red carpets to do. Although you basically are the carpet. Maybe. But other than that, what event is this being worn to? Next up, we have all sorts of holes. Yep. Okay. Nope. What's happening? This is the next item. It's a dress. Little straps. Yep. And then just... What's happened? Yellow. I don't know if that prevents you wearing underwear. We're going to see how much is really on show. I mean, I'm going to say half of my body is going to be hanging out here. Also, these straps, just things are happening. Like, here at the front, the straps look fine. At the back, I don't think you can tell, but there's all sorts of mashy crisscrossiness happening. What am I to do? Before I try that dress on, I remembered I have some shoes. So we're going to go ahead and pair that dress with these shoes. They look kind of... Okay, they do look kind of cute. Okay, let's hope they fit my feet. Oh, hot mama. Okay. Yep, kind of like these shoes. They have a really pretty diamante pattern on them. They are stilettos, and then on one half, they are open, which to me makes them a little more extra. Kind of like them, so we're gonna go ahead and pair these with the black dress. This is the dress on, but before we get into that at all, I'm really confused by these straps. These seem really, really long, and so all I'm thinking is that I meant to do this, but I don't feel like that looks right. Okay, yeah, I've just looked at the picture. It's meant to do this whole thing, and look what's on show, which we're gonna just pretend is a bikini. It's not, clearly, but there is literally not much I can do apart from try and hide it under one of these little tiny strings. Not really a fan. One, it's very ankle length. I'd want it to be maybe a little bit longer. Number two, I'm not a fan of this whole detail. And number three, I feel kind of naked wearing it, even though I'm pretty covered up. Yeah, no, I don't like it. I wouldn't wear it. It's just not for me. Let's put on my shoes. See, this dress is just a really awkward length. It should be longer or shorter. I feel like it's a really odd in between. And then these shoes are just not as cute as I thought they were gonna be. I think I like the shoes from every angle aside from this one that you're seeing them at right now. But I like them from this side and I like them from this side. But then when I stand with them together, they just look a little bit weird. I think I'm gonna give the shoes a no. They're a little bit too much for me. And then the dress is just a really awkward length and half my body's on show, so the dress gets a no too. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I really hope you enjoyed me trying on the most randomly extra clothes. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. I love you so, so much. Make sure you turn on that notification bell and I will see you guys very, very soon. Love you, bye.